Birthdays and special occasions always call for certain kinds of food. Pork barbecue is almost always part of a festive spread. You can never go wrong with a classic like this, especially when it's soft and tender to the bite. Meron tayong sliced pork shoulder, cut into 1 inch wide and 1/4 inch thick. Gamit ang mortar and pestle, magdidikdik tayo ng bulong piraso na bawang. At ngayon, start na nating i-marinate ang ating pork. Simulan natin sa wet ingredients gaya ng soy sauce, pineapple juice, ketchup, and calamansi juice. Ngayon naman, isusunod natin ang dry ingredients tulad ng brown sugar, black pepper, at garlic. Haluin natin itong mabuti at saka tatakpan na natin ito ng aluminum foil at imamarinate for 2 hours or overnight para talagang mas kumapit ang lasa nito at mas malinamnam. After 2 hours, itutuhog na natin ang ating marinated pork barbecue sa ating bamboo skewer. Dahan-dahan lang para di tayo masugatan. Sa isang stick, 4 pieces of sliced meat ang aking nilagay. Bago natin simulan ihawin, gagawa muna tayo ng basting sauce. Naglagay lang tayo ng 2 tablespoon ketchup at inihalo ang ating marinating sauce. Ngayon, simulan na nating mag-ihaw. Alalay lang tayo sa baga ng ulin para di masunog agad ang ating meat. Papahiran naman natin ang ating pork barbecue every time na babalik na rin natin ito para mas sumarap at kumapit lalo ang lasa sa ating barbecue. That's it! Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't yet. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is Mira and thanks for watching.